Hello dear friends, Namaskar. I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School Shivpuri and I welcome you to watch my channel. Today I am going to explain you to make you understand very interesting 20 words. 20 words will increase your vocabulary or word power so that you can speak English language so powerfully or fluently. Okay, fluently you can speak. So now let us study. Okay, now first word is given here. Learn this carefully. Bachelor. Bachelor, do you know? Bachelor means a man who is not married, or you can say unmarried. Second thing is that man who have taken degree from university or college, that is called bachelor. So you can see here, bachelor means unmarried person who is not married. So you can say unmarried. Unmarried, or a person who gets degree from, or first degree, you can see that first degree from university or college. Okay, so you can see here, bachelor. Bachelor means unmarried, or person who is not married. In other words, you can say the second meaning of this word is a person who takes a degree from university or college. So learned, bachelor. Next word is that given here, backbone. You know, backbone. Backbone means spinal, or we can say that the backbone means, you can say, the longest bone of our back, you can say, through which we can bend. Okay, or a spinal column, or what serves as a, okay, so backbone means the longest bone which is used to move here, just like this one and that one. Okay, so this bone, backbone, okay, means bone of back. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so backbone means the bone which is used in our back, and that is useful to bend up or back, or back side or front side, you can bone. Okay, you can bend with the help of backbone. Okay, next word is given here, you can learn, that is very interesting for you. You can see backbird also, you have listened, backbird, OVC, you know, OVC, other backbird caste. So OVC, here is backbird. Back means, you know, back. Backbird means you can say that man who is undeveloped, you can see that, who have not sufficient money or power, you can say, that is called backbird. Okay, so economically he is poor, or physically also you can say, so he is called backbird. Okay, backbird means poor, economically poor, physically also. Economically, economically poor. Backward means economically poor. Okay, so this is very interesting word for you. Learn it and never forget. So these words are very essential for you, so learn them very easily, so you can improve your vocab or word power which is necessary to learn. Next word is that backyard. Backyard means neighborhood or piece of land behind our home. Piece of land behind our house or home, you can see that. This is bird. Okay, so backyard means the piece of land behind our house. It means you can say that yard. Back means behind. Yard means you can say that a very space before our house, or you can say that front side or back side also you can see. So yard means that is a space, open space before our home or house. So that is called a yard. So backyard means होता है behind of our house, means a piece of land behind our house. So this is very interesting for you, so learn it. Okay, so you can improve your vocabulary, you can improve your word power, which is necessary to learn how to speak English language. Without it you can't learn, you can't speak English language. So learn all the words which are taught here. Okay, next word is given here, bake. Bake. Bake means you can cook. Bake means cook. Bakery is also made from bake. Bakery shop. You have listened. Bake means to cook. To cook. So you can, bake means to cook. Okay. Next word is given here, balcony. You have listened. Balcony means upper rows or seats, you can see that. Platform before our house, you can see that. At the upper side or upper floor of the house, you can see that. That is called balcony. Balcony means upper rows of seat. Theater, or you say in other words, project out of the wall. You can wall. Balcony means the upper seat of theater. Okay, so this is also very nice, interesting for you. And lastly, you can say bald. Bald means the person who have no hair on his skull. Okay, on his head he has no hair, that is called bald. In Hindi you can say takla. Okay, ganja you say. So bald means a person who have no, who has no hair on his head. Well, so you can see here, bald. Bald means a person who has no hair on his head. So that is called bald. Okay. Next word is very interesting for you. I am searching so different kinds of very interesting word for you. So those are very useful in your life. Useless words I never try to say you. Useless words I never lie. Okay, so never learn, no problem, but useful words you should learn always. Next word is bandage. Do you know bandage? Sometimes our hand or any organ of our body is breaks or cracked, so we tie our hand with bandage. Bandage means strip of hot cloth, you can see that also. So we tie our hand tightly with the bandage so that we get relief. Okay, so bandage, you know, bandage means bomb strip. Warm strip of special cloth which is used to tie on cracked bone or hand, any organ you can see. This is called bandage. This is, so bandage, do you know, you can say you have you have seen in also hospital bandage so many times. Your friends also purchase from market, sometimes they are hurt, so they tie bandage. Okay, so bandage is also very interesting, but for you learned. Bengal, do you know bengal? Sometimes always we can Indian women's wear on his or on their wrist also. So bangles means just like you as a bang, I am saying you. Bangles means you can have kinds of ornament. Kinds of ornament which are made of sometimes log, or you can see that glass, or you can see that glass. Okay, logs and glass also. Okay, you can see here. So these ornaments, you can see that these ornaments, these are called bangles. Okay, bangle means like this, rounded. Okay, so sometimes the ladies of or Indian ladies wear on their wrist. Okay, so these are called bangles. Now come to the next meaning. That is also very interesting for you. And vanish means should disappear. Vanish means disappear or to exile. Okay, so these words are very interesting for you. Vanish means to disappear or to leave our country or to exile. Okay, so that is called vanish. Next word is that bankrupt. Do you know? No. Bankrupt means a person who is unable to pay his debts. Okay, so that is called bankrupt. Bankrupt means a person who is unable to pay is dash. Okay, they are given here. Bankrupt. Okay, sometimes so many people that take loan from bank, they take money from bank, but sometimes they does not, or they are not in the position to return their loan, so they are called sometimes bankrupt. Okay, next bear. Bear means without claws, or you can say beard means uncover, you can say it. Uncover, you can say it, or a person without clothes. Bear means to uncover, or a person who is not wearing clothes, without clothes, you can say. So that is called a bear. Next, banner. Do you know banner? Banner means flag, you can say. Banner means flag. Banner means flag. Flag of any country also, you can say. Sometimes we make banner for program also. Okay, sometimes we celebrate monthly teachers training, so sometimes we get ready, or we get ready banner from the show, so that is called also banner. Okay, next word is that bargain. Bargain means to treat the shopkeeper, you can say that. So bargain. Bargain means to treat the shopkeeper. Okay, your agreement also, you can say in other words, agreement. And things acquire, you can say that. Bargain means to trade, or to take something, or to purchase something from market, so we sometimes do bargain with the shopkeeper. Okay, so that is called bargaining. Or you can say in other words, shopping also, you can say, or marketing also, you can say in other words. What's a bargain? That is called. Through the bargains we save, or we try to save money to spend. Okay, and the next word is that barrister. Do you know barrister? Barrister means advocate. Barrister means advocate, or person, or advocate who is practicing in a high level court, you can see that. So barrister means advocate, or a specialist person who is working in a court also, you can say that. Lawyer also, you can say law, advocate or lawyer. Okay, so these are the words for you that you can learn very easily them. Okay, so these are very interesting, and I hope that these words will make your vocabulary so powerful and strong, so that you will be able to speak language very easily, and you can be a powerful and fluent speaker of English language also. Okay, so thank you to watch my channel and to improve English language, and I hope that you are learning every words, because words are very interesting. Without learning words or meanings, you cannot learn speaking English language. It is a fact. I am saying you fact and the truth. This is the truth. So never, you can't never, you can never ignore it. You cannot leave this thing. So this is very interesting for you. I tried to collect very interesting words to improve your English vocab or word power. Okay, so thank you to watch my channel and thank you to join my VIP program Hello Improve English. So thank you once more again.